In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate API in WordPress 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add reliable API functionality to your WordPress site using a trusted plugin, and you'll understand what to look for as you set things up for your specific use case. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard with an account that has administrator access. You'll be working from the left-hand menu, which is where WordPress keeps all of the tools you need to manage your site. Next, click Plugins in the sidebar. This is the central place where you add features to WordPress without writing code. Inside the Plugins screen, click Add a New to open the plugin library. You'll see a search bar near the top right. In that search box, enter WP-Get API. Give it a moment to load the results and look for the plugin named WP-Get API. Check that it's the correct one by reviewing its description and recent updates. This helps ensure you install the right tool that's actively maintained and compatible with your version of WordPress. When you've found it, click the plugin, then click Install, and once installation completes, click Activate. The Activate step is important because a plugin isn't usable until it's activated. You'll see a brief loading indicator, and then WordPress will confirm the plugin is active. After activation, go back to your list by clicking Installed Plugins. Locate WP-Get API in the list and click the Setup link under its name. This takes you into the plugins configuration area where you'll manage how your site talks to external services. From here, you can integrate API functionality. In practice, that usually means adding details like a base URL, choosing request methods such as GET or POST, setting parameters and headers, and organizing endpoints you plan to call. If your API requires authentication, this is typically where you'll add it. Keep your credentials secure and never share them in public demos or screenshots. Use clear names for endpoints so you can recognize them later, and take note of any rate limits or usage constraints your API provider lists. As you build out your connections, test small first. Start with a simple request to confirm you're getting the expected response, then layer on more complex parameters. If your site displays data from the API, think about formatting for readability and consider caching if the API is slow or rate limited. Always review responses for errors and handle them gracefully, so your visitors see helpful messages rather than blank content. That's it. You opened WordPress, added the WP-Get API plugin, activated it, accessed Setup, and reached the place where your API integration comes to life.